My presence here is a message. We want a full investigation on the murder of this journalist. We need to know the name of the killer or the killers, but also we want to know the name, the father or the mother of the killers. Say, where are? In Malta or outside Malta? For this we need an international investigation. We need an Europol contribution at this investigation. I proposed this idea in front of the Parliament, but before, in front of the European Council, in front of the Prime Minister, Mr. Muscat, he was in favor. This now is important to implement this idea, not against Malta, but in favor of Malta. My message is, Malta never alone. The Maltese people never alone. For this we will have a debate in 2 weeks in the European Parliament on the rule of law in this country, and the European Parliament will send a committee here with members coming from different committees for a political inquiry on the situation in favor of Malta, in favor of freedom, in favor of democracy.